I'm Lupe here with Porsche in Colorado Springs. Here is the 2023 GT4 RS with the Weissach package, and it is in this paint to sample Nato Olive color. Look how cool that is. I love how it goes well with those neodyme wheels. So I'm going to take a few minutes to go around the car, show you the current condition and some of the options this one's equipped with. It is certified. You'll have Porsche's unlimited mile warranty for a couple of years. Along the inside, this one has the black leather and race tex interior with this yellow stitching all throughout the interior. That looks really great. The miles, we are currently sitting at 1,212 miles. A touch more on the inside in just one moment. Let's go around the outside, make a note of a couple things that I noticed on this. So this one does have paint protective film on the entire car. Some people call it clear mask, but it's on the entire bumper, all of the fender, all of the hood and fender, the doors, the roof, the intakes, the wing. Everything on this car has paint protective film, which is really great to see. There's even a film on the windshield to help protect it against rock chips. Here along the front, let's have a closer look. You'll notice has the clear side marker lights. The original ones are in the front. Here, I got the key here. Look at this. It's even in the same color. That's so cool. So let's hit the front and let me show you. So here we have the original side marker lights. These are the amber ones, and that's these. And we have the seat covers that came with the car when it was new. The front license plate bracket, that has not been installed, so there's no holes on there. Those are little dimples. Those are from the factory to help you align the bracket should you need to install it. All right, let's close this. All right, and let's have a really close look at the front bumper. It's been driven a little bit, so it's bound to have a little blemish or two. Here, look at that. You see a tiny little spot where contact has been made by some debris. Let's see. This is all clean and clear. Overall, it appears to be in really great shape. I just want you to know that it's been driven a little bit. I like to inspect this lower lip, especially on these cars. Right under here, I feel a little bit of like a scuff. It's not damaged or broken. It's just a little bit of scuff on this area, and then it's smooth, and smooth. Yeah, it's smooth all the rest of the way. So just a tiny little spot on this lower lip under here. Looking along the front, look at that. That looks great. These are the GT4 RS magnesium wheels and satin neodyme. Porsche's carbon composite brakes peeking in the background, and yellow ties in really well with that on the door. And let's have a quick look at the inside while I'm over here. Look at the leather, black leather with this yellow stitching, yellow on the pull handle, yellow on the seat belts, yellow on there. That is pretty neat. Little touches all around the car. And then there's the race tex, this Alcantara like material. It's on the headliner. It's here on the dash. Looks really nice. We got the window sticker laminated. That'll come with the car. And look at that. It says Nato Olive. So this is a Sonderwunsch special wishes build. So there's a couple little options like that, and maybe these that were done on that make it quite unique. Okay, I want to confirm there is paint protective film on the carbon fiber intakes. So all the way around onto the inside. This as well. When I was looking at it earlier, these wheels are all clean and free of any curb rash. They're as you would expect it to be on this car. Along the back, we have clear tail lights. That looks really nice. The exhaust. I'm looking at the diffuser, and that looks smooth. No signs of any damage. That looks really aggressive. Looks really good on these. Look at that. And in the wing, look at this. We have carbon fiber. We have the paint, and then more carbon fiber. It's pretty neat. It is protected with PPF as well. That's paint protective film. And while I'm back here, let's see. Look at that. I love the carbon fiber intake on that. Pretty cool. A little bit of storage area on the back of these. And let's see. Okay, got it. Little touch of yellow on GT4 RS right there. Porsche is in black. And let's have a quick look at the inside. I wanna confirm the miles with you. So we're at 1,212 miles. Driver door panel, we have leather, matte carbon fiber on the door panel, on the inlays, on here, on the center. Got a little touch here in the doorway to welcome you in, and that is illuminated. Look at that, that's pretty neat. These are the carbon fiber bucket seats, and we got yellow stitching with that. That is nice, really nice. No abnormal signs of wear. This looks nice. Let me hop on inside and touch on a few more things in here, and I'll get the ignition turned and get some of the electronics on. Look at the steering column on this. That is in leather. Got a leather steering column. That's quite nice. Our infotainment screen, quite simple, easy to use. The gear selector, some race text. Here's a button for the sport exhaust and the front axle lift. Button for your PDK Sport, electronic dampening control, and you got traction control. I hope this video helps. If this one's of interest to you, please reach out to me right away while it's still available. It's the only one we have in this spec. My cell phone number is 719-761-7550. Again, I'm Lupe here with Porsche in Colorado Springs. Bye-bye.